Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Altima shift knob. First, gather your tools, a flathead screwdriver and your new shift knob. Make sure your Nissan Altima is in park and the engine is completely off for safety. It's also a good idea to place a soft cloth or towel over your center console to prevent any scratches during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free replacement. Now, let's remove the old shift knob. Look for the trim piece located at the very base of the shift knob. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into a small gap and gently pry up the trim. Once the trim is loose, you should be able to unscrew the old shift knob by turning it counterclockwise. It should come off with relative ease, revealing the shift lever. With the old knob off, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new shift knob with the threads on the shift lever. Begin screwing the new knob clockwise, ensuring it's straight and not cross-threaded. Continue turning until it feels completely secure and snug. Finally, reattach the trim piece by pressing it firmly back into its original position until it clicks. After installation, perform a few final checks. Gently tug on the new shift knob to ensure it's firmly attached and doesn't wobble. Shift through all the gears to confirm smooth engagement and proper function. Double-check that all trim pieces are flush and securely snapped into place. For other great deals and to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more. Enjoy your refreshed interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.